doing?
Why are they doing that?
I have no idea.
That makes literally no sense. Do you want to see your car ever again, sir?
Yeah.
40 minutes? He had his hand in there for 40 minutes?
Like so. It's a.
I mean, I guess you
know.
can take it with you, watch some
Yeah.
TV or something. That's okay.
And kill someone.
Ah, no, don't do that.
No, don't.
Don't do that. We don't endorse that at Archie 5. Okay.
Wait a second. The key is still there.
It's still in there, yeah.
Well, because
And now there's hot metal in there. Probably
I think-
melting the key.
so there is no key
Oh.
anymore. Oh, inside the key.
But how are you gonna get the key afterwards? What is
What's
the point of the key?
Yeah.
I'm so lost, 5 Minute Crafts.
So, oh boy, I don't know why it looks painful because I associate with it.
Yeah,
I don't know.
you're associating the feeling with your actual thumb, I guess. It's a psychological phenomenon known as I don't know. Ask someone more intelligent.
Just sounds smart, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we got.
What's his
What are we gonna do with this fist?
hammer? No.
Maybe.
Or-
I don't know. It's very strange what's happening right now.
Okay, thumbs up for what?
I really want to know what's gonna happen to the key.
Yeah.
I feel like that's a plot
Yeah.
hole. We're not getting enough story here. What's the
So-
origin of the key?
Explain.
He stole it from his ex-girlfriend's ex-boyfriend
And
to
perfectly
get
hidden
revenge.
key.
Yes. And now it's engulfed in tin. He'll never see his beautiful BMW again. It's a villain. This guy's a villain.
Maybe it's a good destiny for the BMW key.
Maybe he's making like a Terminator person, you know? Seems like that could be a potential. What? I don't get the like. Wait, okay, first of all,
It's a handle.
it's
for
a handle
sure.
for the fist.
For
but
the
what are we
fist.
gonna do with the fist?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna like bro fist people? Like whenever someone greets you, you're like, oh, I don't like touching people. And then they bro fist it and their hand breaks because it's made of metal.
Or
It's truly a villain.
It's a hammer.
It's a hammer.
Yeah. But
Wow.
is it a ring on it?
That's a huge hammer. Yeah, that's
How did they put it? Because it wasn't before, right?
maybe
Ring.
they like just welded the top of a ring to it.
Yeah, wow.
That
That's
is-
out of 10. But
0 out of 10.
yeah.
Hi. Bye. Ooh, how did it change color like that? Does
Some
it change color?
reaction. Yeah, I think it could change the color.
Wow.
It's
Ooh,
well, now it's again changed the color.
amazing.
Oh, the thing which contact with the air, it's
Okay, so it oxidizes and then it
Mm.
changes its color. Nice. Science. Things that we can't articulate very well.
but we're trying.
We'll try. We got a sand hill, cement it.
Cementum.
Looks like a nice cake. Forbidden cake. Don't eat it.
I wouldn't recommend.
You tried.
I guess
We have to
so.
test it. Ah! So this one looks like
Just for you. Okay. What is it's a pot?
maybe it's gonna be like a plant pot or something with the hands in the front, and then it has a little drainage pipe.
Okay. Or
Potentially.
maybe- Okay.
I don't know why, but like for some reason
So
I just want to
great.
eat.
You wanna eat?
I want to eat the cement.
You weirdo.
Hey, don't eat shame me here.
Okay.
Okay, so we're adding pipage to this thing. This is very complex. It makes me think that maybe it's not just a plant pot.
I think it's more than that.
Wow, what is happening? Toilet? It's a toilet?
Oh, wait a second. How the foot you came to the toilet?
I don't know.
Nah,
If you
then
gotta go, you gotta go. Someone's gotta make a toilet. That's a multi-billion-dollar industry.
Oh, you know a lot about it.
Yes, I use the toilet very frequently. I'm an avid user, an avid supporter.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice how they show the process against the glass.
But oh my gosh, I'm curious about the result.
I'm leaning towards toilet.
It's because in front of it looks like a waves, you know?
It's I know it's gonna be. It's gonna be a fountain.
No way.
It's gonna be a fountain. Who knew? 5 Minute Crafts would make a fountain?
What if it is sink in this look?
I
Like
mean,
so you can wash the hand.
can't a fountain also be a sink?
Technically yes.
Technically, yes.
So you want to say that you were right?
I want to say that I'm right, and that you're right as well. So we're both right. We compromise.
We're a team.
Melts with a heat gun. Why? What's the point of them? Oh! But now it's red. I don't know how I feel about the red.
Okay, it's nice old switch they prepared.
This is very cute, yeah.
Okay, no, you were, yes, you were right.
And you were also right. Technically, it serves as a
yeah.
sink, yes.
It's actually nice, the hand there.
Yeah.
You got your hand to wash it. Wow.
Unless your hands are really... If you agree, he's like... Ah!
Wow.
Oh.
Oh. Excuse me?
So they just don't care about their items, their things.
They're fun, but
Their phone,
it's
their keys.
waterproofed, right?
I don't think it's epoxy proof or casting proof.
But doesn't matter.
Ooh.
I mean, okay.
Ooh, I like that shot. That was kind of cool.
Wow, the showing is
Yeah, we got some
very
really nice transitions
Wow.
going on.
Okay, just be careful.
Cut out the oval. Don't tell me what to do. Okay, glue for wood.
Yeah.
Hypnotizing me. Wow, jeez.
You should watch the video.
You should watch the video.
Watch it and watch our reaction.
Tell us what happened last summer. Remove excess, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I like the shape of this thing. I don't even know what it is. Ah!
Oh, it's
Oh, it's gonna be a huge dock for your phone.
is
That's giant.
Yeah, but is it a part of the previous casting, right? Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
that seems a little extra to charge your phone. Just a little bit.
But if you have
A lot of time.
yeah, why not? Well,
Alright.
okay.
I feel like it might scratch your phone though. In case they're gonna be recycled back through, and then you're gonna have poop water running. I hate I hate it when that happens.
But I'll tell you the truth, it happens. I mean, generally, if you think about this, the water go to the cleaning and everything.
Yeah, but like it's filtered out and stuff. Technically, whenever you're drinking water, you're drinking like dinosaur poop from billions of years ago. So
So?
enjoy. Get those.
No, don't lose him. We're fine.
Whenever you swim in the sea, guess what you're swimming in? But it's okay. It's sterile. It's clean. That's a nice little light bulb. Moving on quickly.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I missed it almost.
Ooh, okay.
Oh,
I feel like that's not gonna look like a natural hand.
it's salt, right? Yeah. Oh.
That's kind of cute.
Shake someone's hand before you wash your hands.
Smart. Usually you have to wash your hands before you shake other people's hands. We're just
Yeah.
switching it up.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Why?
It's the same feeling, and
Greasy cream. Greasy cream? That's a horrible way to call it. That's not good.
Oh, I saw it. I mean,
Yeah,
something
you
like-
tested this as well with Ruby.
Yeah, but here's
This is very strange.
we'll see.
I would feel a little. I get claustrophobic, so I think if we did that,
Mhm.
I would get a little bit. And it's nothing against you. It's just
I
about
understand.
humanity.
Okay. I think they just want to make the mold of. We just tested with the wax.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
can you get rid of it? But I think they're gonna do something more than that.
Okay. Are they gonna I don't get the practicality. Maybe it's just like for a Valentine's Day thing. Or...
It's just for the memory. I mean, if you put some, I don't know, gypsum.
Okay. I kind of want it to have a practical use though. I want it to do something.
Okay, let's see.
I hope it's like a chainsaw.
Everything should be practical.
It's like the end of a chainsaw. You know? Love chainsaw. All right.
No, I'm confused.
We're closing it
I'm
up now.
confused.
Why do they fill it with that thing? Just to, have an inside, I guess.
They're gonna keep it like so.
Rub-a-dub-dub.
Me personally, I'm confused.
I am also confused. Where are you going with this? Maybe that's just like the pedestal that they're gonna put it on. I'm if it's a statue, if it's just a statue, I'm gonna be very disappointed.
Yeah.
But I hope they can turn it around. It's a statue, and I'm disappointed.
Me too.
They didn't turn